What's up guys, Majjin here and welcome to the cave. You guys asked a lot for this product and I'm really happy to announce that it's now available on the MiningCave shop. I'm talking here about mineral oil immersion for cooling your computer or mining hardware. It does require a special setup. You're basically going to need a tank and some radiator to cool off this oil in the tank. This is also to show you guys that you can DIY this project. All you need is the oil, an old aquarium you have in your attic. You can use an old car radiator and you can hook it up all together and have yourself a submerged miner. Currently, MiningCave is prototyping some key-in-hand product that come with the fish tank, the oil, and the radiator, the piping, everything. So if you're not a DIY guy, just stay tuned to this channel because as soon as these products are available, I'm gonna make a video about it. So be sure to subscribe not to miss it. And you would ask me, well, imagine, why should I soak my miner in oil? Well, the answer is obvious. Your rig will become more efficient. First, because you can remove all the fan from the graphics card. And second, because your rig will be cooler in general and so will draw less electricity. So your miner become more efficient, you can overclock more without the heat issue, so that's a huge improvement. This project was made using a $3 recycle bin from the dollar store, and inside here we have a GTX 950 which is mining Raven coin at this moment. And over here you can see that in the video I showed you we had removed the CPU pump because we thought that the oil would be enough to cool the CPU. But then we discovered that it was not working, so we installed the heat pump again, and now everything works fine. It's been running in the oil like this for roughly a week. But for an immersion miner where you have a lot of graphics card, you are gonna need a pump with a radiator to extract the heat out of the oil. Alright, so a quick and fun video for you guys and I hope you liked it. If you're looking to purchase the oil, check the link in the description, and if you have any question about what we're doing here, drop them in the comment. Also, if you're looking for any computer part, have a look at our newest website called gamingcave.com. Over there you will find everything you need for your PC. We have over 1,000 products listed. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video.